Morning, YouTubes. Today we are checking out the new property I just bought up here in Landers, California. Alright, so here's the situation. So I just bought this house about 3 weeks ago. I found this house on Craigslist. I wanted nothing to do with the real estate market right now. I scanned the internet, scanned Craigslist, and I found something. So I got a really good deal. And, now the real work begins. So I'm gonna take you on a quick tour of the house. I have barely touched it since buying it. But it's getting ready for a full overhaul, both inside and outside, because it's 2.5 acres and it came with a lot of leftover stuff. So let me give you a tour of what it looks like right now. All right, so like I said, this is a tour of the house in its current state. I have barely touched anything. So these are their chairs, still left in the place that they were in. Ancient television. There's a really cool wood stove over there in the corner. This is just a 2-bed, 2-bath, very outdated galley kitchen. Come in here. The bedrooms are surprisingly very big in this house, which is good. There's 3 private patios. A ton of incredible views. Again, I haven't gotten rid of any of this furniture yet. Walk-in closet. Really cool. Bathroom with the original curtains. And here's the other bedroom here. Oh, bathroom, primary bathroom. The other bedroom here. That's another patio behind those curtains. Another awesome view, and I'm not talking about that Ford Ranger. Let's go check out the outside. So this is the mudroom, essentially, washer dryer that don't work, need new washer dryer. And this opens up to 2.5 acres out here. So we have a covered patio that obviously needs to be stripped and redone. A ton of water and drip systems. He has these eucalyptus trees, which I thought was stupid in the desert, but everyone seems to really like them, so I guess they're staying. And this is currently the biggest problem on the property. He has built all these sheds that were improperly secured, so there are snakes and God knows what living inside these things. They're all full of junk. Everything needs to be gutted out of them. Whoa. Some lizards, some wildlife right there. This was the big project of the day. I posted a ton of free firewood on Craigslist. People came and gutted it out, but this is a disaster. Lizards really move. This is a disaster. These were all rat nests and just stuff. Spiky, want to poison you kind of stuff. This was all full of black widows earlier as well. So the game plan will be to get rid of these sheds. They're on a really good 20-foot slab. So I'm going to get a shipping container and put it right at the back of that slab and make a little like makeshift patio. It should be pretty cool out here. Just going to walk around the house. This is another one of the patios. This is where the previous owners would let their dog come out to go to the bathroom and whatnot. House came with a swamp cooler and a dual heater air conditioner on the roof. Another patio here. Came with this eclectic cactus garden that needs maintaining, to say the least, and definitely needs some trimming. So this is something cool that I learned about the other day. These are apparently called coyote melons. They're not edible to humans, but they used to be used by the local native people for making drums and like maraca type instruments. So there it is. 2-bed, 2-bath project. So the big thing today is my parents shipped their RV out here. So I'm gonna try to get it placed out in the yard. This house came with 3 septic hookups. So gotta try to get it strategically placed near one of the hookups. A little bit. Good. So there we go, one of the final pieces to the puzzle. Part of the reason I was up here today. My parents' RV got brought in. It's a pop-up. So we'll just get this all popped up. Get it set up. Plug it straight into the septic over there. Call it a home. So that's what's up. That's what's going on. This video wasn't very long, obviously, but there's going to be plenty more videos coming. I'm going to try to document as much as I can as we redo this house. Also, for those of you who don't know, Landers is super cool. So I'm going to try to get out to Giant Rock and some of the other places out here. I'm going to do a couple more YouTube videos up here in the high desert. So we'll figure all that out as the weeks go on. It's 1,000,000 degrees out here still, so hiking and whatnot has been a little slow. But videos will start coming back. But for the moment, we're going to take a home makeover detour video path. So stay tuned, and more videos coming soon.